to Oklahoma, I was 17. My papa taught me how to work, and Lord, he was mean. Working all day in that August heat, and he taught me how to fish, my uncle taught me how to dream. Well, I went to California and I had me a band, and we played in all the bars and all the southern lands. Played all night and we drank for free, all of my boys and me. Now I'm 23 and there ain't nobody who can dream like me. Soon I'll be 24 and the Lord knows that I can't drink no more. I know I should have taken it slow. It's not the way that my life goes. Now I know. When you're passed out on the floor, you're sober about 24. Well, I had a girl that loved me the whole damn time. Man, I drank my whiskey and she drank wine. Soon my bottle was too much to comprehend. Yeah, we sail on the river and we fish all day, and we drive across country, let the radio play. She said, don't come home if you go to the bar. So I said, okay, baby, then got drunk out in the yard. 2 a.m. I knock up on the door. Well, she never unlocked it, guess I don't live there no more. Yeah, she meant business this time. I can't believe my bloodshot eyes. I woke up on the wrong side of the truck bed this morning with a bone dry bottle of Jack I was burning. Yeah, she got some nerve where she kicked me to the curb. Guess you could say I got what I deserve, 'cause I woke up on the wrong side of the truck bed this morning. Yeah. I used that empty bag of corn to rest my head, a camo jacket for a blanket, then passed out like I was dead. Still got one heck of a buzz. If I look like a train wreck, it's because I woke up on the wrong side of the truck bed this morning with a bone dry bottle of Jack I was burning. Yeah, she got some nerve where she kicked me to the curb. Guess you could Bad moon rising, horses running, gravel flying. That's what I've been thinking ever since you walked in. I got a feeling we could get this dive bar talking. Bad moon rising, horses running, gravel flying. How about you and I chase a little trouble with some whiskey on ice? Kiss the past goodbye. You're my shotgun body, I'm your getaway Clyde with ride. Ride this night like a one-way track, live or die. If you're all mine, I'ma never look back. Blonde hair blowing, shadow dancing, lines are blurring. Deserts calling, strangers falling, got me burning. Yeah, I'm liking where it's going, ain't no stopping. How about you and I chase a little trouble with some whiskey on ice? Kiss the past goodbye. You're my shotgun body, I'm your getaway Clyde with ride. Ride this night like a one-way track, live or die. If you're all mine, I'ma never look back. I'ma never look back, yeah. I'ma never look back. Let's roll some crazy, don't say. I woke up on the wrong side of the truck bed this morning with a bone dry bottle of Jack Ice pouring. Damn, she got some nerve when she kicked me to the curb. Guess you could say I got what I deserve, 'cause I woke up on the wrong side of the truck bed this morning. Yeah. She said don't come home if you go to the bar. I said okay baby, then got drunk out in the yard. 2 a.m. I knock up on the door, but she never unlocked it. Guess I don't live there no more. Yeah, she meant business this time. I can't believe my bloodshot eyes. I woke up on the wrong side of the truck bed this morning with a bone dry bottle of Jack Ice pouring. Yeah, she got some nerve when she kicked me to the curb. Guess you could say I got what invited. Got X-rated. They keep it pussy, nigga, man, to me like I'm finna play it. Baby got a thing for me, she say I'm her favorite. She gon' eat a thing like that overboard arrangement. Man, I put a big up step, man, but I like your sister, man. Nice selling lips on her, but I ain't gon' kiss her, man. You ain't like to hit it, doggy, make her call me Clipper, man. Before you buy that pussy, shout it, get rid of them whistles, man. Yeah, you were feeling froggy, we know you was picky, man. We know you a bitch, how you missing me some kitty, man. City boy, double bag, fill up with new bitches, man. 50s and new 20s, proteins, got me itchy, man.
But you ain't even worth my time. Pack it up, mister. Put it in a box. I'll get it.
Little pit stop. Of course, hope you enjoyed that little first half, and I mean little slappers. But yeah, if you're now tuning in, we got a guest mix coming up from Zach Fox. So you guys keep it blocked for that. But yeah, y'all, let's get right back into this shit. East One Radio, episode 33, Sound 42, Sirius XM.
Shit up like they ain't no white. Jews' name is Mike. Cookie with